In today's video, I'll show you how to add a graphics card to a Dell Optiplex 7010 MT. So let's begin. First thing we have to do is remove the case. So on this side, just pull on this lever like that, and then pull out, and then let it go like this, and then just pull it up. That's how you remove the cover. And let's put in the graphics card. The first thing you must do is remove this. So just push it in, and this thing should just pop out. It's hard to do with the camera, so. So now it's open. So I have to remove, depending on the graphics card, some graphics cards you may have to move 2 of these PCI slots. For me, I just have to remove just one. And I could get the graphics card in. This is the graphics card that I want to get in. So let's see. So now just get it in like this. Just align it with the PCIe slot. And then just push it in, and the graphics card should just go right in. Before you do that, there's a little thing here. I don't know if you could see that. This thing, you have to move it out so you can get the graphics card in. So if you want to take the graphics card out, you have to push this in. If you want to get it, if you want to get the graphics card in, you push out like that way, that direction. Can't really see very well. I think it's in the slot, so you hear a snapping sound. Now the graphics card is in. You can see snapped in place. To get it out, there's this little thing there. I'll show you how to get it out as well. You just push that this way and pull the graphics card up to get the PCIe X16 graphics card. If you want to remove it, to put it back in, align it with the slot. Just push in. And then push this thing back in this way to get it in. Make sure you move all the PCIe slots. I mean, align all the PCIe slots, like the ones you see here. 1, 2, 3. So you can close the thing if you don't align them all. and you won't be able to close it. Okay, now it's in, and I should be able to use a graphics card. This video card doesn't require any PCIe what you call that, power connectors. So if you want to upgrade this to a video card like let's say a GeForce RTX 5060 or a 5050, then you will need a I'm not sure if it's a 8-pin or a 6-pin PCIe power connector. So you would probably have to get a new power supply as well, because the power supply that comes with this computer would not be sufficient to power up your video card. But I'm not using this computer for games, so I don't need a powerful power supply. The one that came with this computer is, let me see what it is. Let's see. Can't see very well. I should have brought a magnifying glass or something. It says 275. Maybe it's a 275 watt power supply. Yeah, so it's a 275 watt power supply, so it's definitely not going to have enough power to power a gaming video card. So that's pretty much it for this video. So that's how you get the GPU in. Now it's in. So let's get the case in. Just put this thing back in. As you can see, just you align it with these slots on the bottom. There's 5 cutouts. As you can see, there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push it into the cutout, just like that, and push in, and that's pretty much it. That's how you install a video card in a Dell Optiplex 7010 MT. Thanks for watching.